Hello, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your Philips HomeRun 7000 clean at one spot. First, open your Philips HomeRun application and go into your vacuum cleaner. Now click Custom Cleaning and Spot Clean. Now put this dot in the center of a spot you want to clean. For example, here. And next. Now you can edit cleaning plan, cleaning preferences, and advanced settings. Save. And here you go, just click play. And I'm not going to click it because my vacuum is on my desk, so I don't want it to fall off. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.